What's going on, guys? It's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists, bringing you with me on my trip to the Anson open house and the IMI certification. So I'm super excited. Should be a great trip. We'll bring you along. Let's check it out.
Hey, what up?
To Christina and the family. I think it's very accurate to have hail in the forecast and not before.
Citizens of Burleson, I just want to welcome the Anson family to be part of our family in Burleson.
Jameer, you kind of said it all. So,
Sorry.
No, that's a great thing. So, point being is you figured out real quick that this is a family thing. We have people here from everywhere in the United States. We've pretty much got the United States covered here in one spot, just from people that care about us and care about where we're going to be here in Burleson. So I'm glad you get to meet all those fine people today. And without all of you here, we told you I'd get emotional. We would not be standing here today without the support of the paintless dent repair community and family, and all of the support our own families have shown us. And like you said, Mr. Mayor, we're part of the Burleson family now. You're a part of our family, and we just can't wait to be here full time. So thank y'all so much for coming out today and for hosting this event. It means a lot.